Thina bakasifuba singungubele nyakana sibhoboka umuntu yakuzezwe izindaba. Ohlelweni namhlanje sikwethulela isilo samabandla emcimbini iYoung Falcons Development Awards. Umbutho wezokuvikela ngaphansi kophiko iAir Force ngokuhlanganyela nomnyango wezemfundo KwaZulu-Natal babambe umcimbi wokukhomelisa abafundi ababamba iqhaza ngaphansi kohlelo lweAir Force iYoung Falcons. Lo mcimbi ke obubanjwe ngomhla ka-23 kuMfumfu ubuhanjelwe isilo samabandla kubeke umkhuzi wamasosha ophikweni iAir Force uMajor General Mzayifani Buthelezi kube ungqongqoshe womnyango wezemfundo umhlonishwa kwazi Mshengu othisha kanye nabafundi. Ethule inkulumo yakhe umdlokombane kulomcimbi ubeke kanje.
Senior officers of the Air Force who are present here today to mark a history in the South African National Air Defence Force by providing such an opportunity for the juniors who are just on the education institute in our country, who are now being prepared to be ready for the future developments, which must see now how leadership can be prepared to resolve some problems that might be accumulated in the future for the interest of safety in our country, especially on the air and on the ground, because most of the problems that we always have start from the ground. When it comes to the level of the air, it has got so many challenges because you need to learn all different changings of weather. And you must have that bravery within yourself that it's not you that you are flying, but you are flying for the safety of the people that are in the plane that you are just flying, just to protect everybody. Ngiyafisa nokho ngibonge kakhulu to the members of the Department of Education and all the staff members that are scattered all over the province, especially the second officers and officials who has been assigned to do a lot of work, who must assist us by getting the best students, working together with principals of the schools who knows more problems of each and every child. Because you don't want to bring somebody to the structure where the person is not prepared to get into practice with problems that he has where he comes from. Ngiyazi-ke ukuthi izinto ezinjengalezi ngeke ikwazi ukusebenzeka ma-principal bengekho prepared to work together with the department that has employed them. Shenge, I'm working very close with the Department of Education here in the Kingdom. And I'm the patron of all teachers that has been assigned to work for the Department of Education. Kunezinto eziningi ezikhona ngaphakathi which I can be of assistance. not just with the Department of Education, but all departments, because when it comes to this kingdom, the Zulu nation, besides that who are in KwaZulu-Natal, but who are Zulus affiliated in South Africa and in the SADC, I'm part of them and they're part of me. Yingakho-ke Shenge kimina kuhlale kuyintokozo ukuhambela imisebenzi emihle that builds the unity within the nation of South Africa. Ngoba ubunye be-South Africa can help to unite the rest of the continent. Ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ukwethula kwey'ndondo lezi okukhona namhlanje kuyimpumelelo yokusebenzisana. Sithi basihlezi ezweni sibuke ukungasebenzisana ngoba kudala ukungasebenzelani. Ukungasebenzelani, it accumulates problems because people, they are working in camps. You cannot lead the country if you are leading the people that are in camps, because they'll always create problems. Now, Maskuluma, the South African Air Defence Force, sikhuluma ngabantu okufanele bashayele indiza baqaphele imingcele yethu. You cannot see everything when you're on the ground, but through satellite you can see. But if you don't have equipment to control that situation, because the equipment that you must have, once somebody is taking up 1 kilometer up, the South African Air Defence Force must take that into control. Ngoba akubuhle ukuthi ubone isitha sesiphakeme. Sesifike esigabeni lapho sesizothi masikhulula esikhululayo sibe so destructive bese ngathi beningekho ready for that.
Mbukeli, ake siphinde futhi sibonane ngemumva kwekhefu inkulumo kaNomthebe wesizwe iyaqhubeka. Sekubingelela sekwamukelo ohlelweni mongabeke usanda kusijoyina namhlanje. Sikwethulela ke isilo samabandla emcimbini ukhomelisa abafundi ngaphansi kohlelo lwe-Air Force Young Falcons Awards.
What they must know, they don't belong to their own families, but they belong to the families when it comes to protection. They mustn't be so destructive where they come from. They are the ones that they must protect their own people in their own areas. The abusement of children and women. Because they've shown that they can secure by joining the South African National Air Defence Force. They must fly on the ground first. I'm not trying to be somebody that you don't know, but I'm trying to work with you as part and parcel of you. That's why ngavuma manizwe eNewcastle last year. Unfortunately, I was about to go to England that time. Ngiyazi nanifisa ukuthi ngiqale isiLulu kodwa kwafumanise ukuthi akulungi. Uqale eNewcastle akusho ukuthi it's not part of me. The kingdom of the Zulu is too wide. It's a state by itself. So So iyadinga ukuthi nayo ithole lokho kuvikeleka. My Indian Ocean starts from Kosi Bay down to the mouth of Mtavon. But at the moment, it's not being patrolled. When I'm talking in terms of patrolling our sea, there is food that God has provided for us. That is for all South Africans. Kunabantu abantshontsha, kunamazwe antshontsha kwamanye amazwe ukudla ngaphansi kolwandle lwabo. Which doesn't benefit the people of that country. But today there are some people that are scooping the sea. Who can stretch their nets at a kilometer. How do we know that our sea is protected? If we don't have fighting jets, we cannot guarantee how many people are scooping our sea. Because we need to make noise to show them that, hey, guys, don't dare try. We'll sort you out. Money doesn't mean anything that the country is protected. You need to display your power. Yes, you need to display it. Hey, tool is it do? There is just an inauguration of the head of state. The day he was inaugurated. Fanele bantu bafile. The whole nation must feel protected. It's just like in land. We've got so many problems that takes place in any country. And the National Air Defense Forces of those countries, they participate to rescue their own citizens. We have shown ourselves in 1984, when pneumonia took place in northern KwaZulu-Natal. The South African Air National Defense Force saved a lot of people who have climbed over the trees. And the wave snakes, that's where God is so great, show that nothing that can fight that was made by him when it comes that even the snakes, the human beings, God makes them to live, and then they can live together peacefully. Same South African National Air Defense Force assisted our neighboring countries when they find themselves in a disaster. In Mozambique, South African National Air Defense Force assisted Mozambicans. That was showing the good neighborliness that South Africa can do a lot to save their own neighboring country citizens. So now let's come back home. Are we citizens of South Africa today? Who has done what? How many problems are taking place within the country? But Oba, ndiyafundiswa namhlanje ukuthi umsebenzi wansuku zonke sinakho ukuthi sifanele ukufunda to make ourselves to live peacefully with one another. By doing so, that gives a lot of teachings to each and every citizen to learn something good from you. Kukhulunywa lapha ngama-gangsters kade usho.
Mbukeli, ake siphinde futhi sibonane ngemumva kwekhefu inkulumo yesilo iyaqhubeka.
Bese kufika esigabeni seyinde sekufanele ukuthi izwe lakithi liphithizele indiza emingceleni yayo. Zibanga umsindo. Ngoba lokho singeke sithathe sithi hayi it's not good for on a democratic country. What a democratic country, what does that mean? Isitwana esinilesi esisho ukuthi democratic so ukuthi ungayiprotect. Awukho umsebenzi okuthiwa ngumuntu wesilisa kuphela. But wami ngamantombazana ithi inkosi uCetshwayo 1878 ithi sekufaneleke manje kutrainwe namantombazana ukuba bafikele ikingdom ukuthi ma impi iphumile kwaziyo ukuthi abantu emakhaya bafikelekile. By that time, Inkosi Cetshwayo was smuggling guns from eDalabhubhe. Abanye bayazi eDalabhubhe ukuthi kuphi. Chimaputo. Kayile umngane obuhle kabi namaPutukezi inkosi yaSondini. Izimaglisha zingena ngaphakathi. Ilo nje yasesandwane base bevela kunokozulu bengazi ikhaya. Kodwa ngafike ilizwe lokubatshana ngempela ngoba kwazi betshana ngempela. Aha. Angazi kwaMaZulu maye kangena enkundleni emba wahlehli. Singumbuzi kayihlehli. Zisho kabi ukuthi awuyadela wena usula. Akusigebengu singangena kuleli lizwe. Le South Africa ngeke. Fanele sonke sibe ngamasosha. Fanele sonke sibe ngamaphoyisa. Fanele sonke sivikele izwe lethu. During your lifetime, MEC Msheng, ukuthi we have achieved something. Each and every minister that has been assigned to be Minister of Education, we must have that pride within ourselves that the guy has done it. Not to say, oh, Best Peggy. Not to say Best Peggy, you know, when you're not there. But I know there are numerous examples of the military doing us proud, not just in the battlefield, but in various noble aspects of life. Recently, when the world was engulfed by the deadly coronavirus, the military played a big role in the commitment of the pandemic. Not only that, the South African Air Force, in collaboration with the South African Medical Corps, but the Department of Health and the National Carrier, SAA, played a pivotal in bringing home South Africans who were stuck abroad. What was of interest most was the time when we were bringing the doctors from Cuba to come and assist us. We have appreciated that. Well done. These interventions were just actually important for the obvious benefits of the affected individuals and their families, but equally, if not more important, was the message they sent to world that ours is well-organized country where its place in the international sun. So they earn us more respect. Players in the international community intend to do business with countries they respect and whose house is soon on be in order. So it is my wish, therefore, ladies and gentlemen, that one day we'll learn about your heroics in the service of your country in various aspects. Ngiselapho ngiyafisa ukubonga umsebenzi esiuqale nayo uThabiso ngoba bengeke ufike kulesi sigaba uma ngabe ubengabambisene nani Shenge and all other teams that he has worked on this to be what it is today.
Kungako ke mbukeli besikuphathele kona ohlelweni lanamhlanje sihlangabeze futhi ngokuzayo.